Welcome to Manodis, a blog for men's interests, fashion, and lifestyle. Today's topic is, why can't I wake up early in the morning? If you are asking this question, there is high chance that you are not a morning person, but you really want to learn how to get up early. Well, you landed on the right video. First, let's understand why you struggle to wake up in the morning and what is your sleeping pattern. As per sleep experts, there are many possible reasons for sleepy mornings. First, irregular sleep habits. Waking up multiple times during the night can make you sleepless in the morning. There can be many reasons, for example, to use the bathroom or to get food. Second, mobile or social media addiction. Simultaneously, many of us are glued to our smartphones or tablets before bedtime. Certainly, this is going to affect the quality of sleep. Without a doubt, checking social media accounts, browsing the internet, or playing videos can keep you up late. Third, imbalanced physical activities. In addition to this, if your work keeps you active during the day, definitely you are going to be tired. That translates into drowsiness at night. On the other hand, if you're not getting enough exercise, it can be hard to fall asleep easily. Fourth, stress. The stress of the day can also keep you up at night. If you're constantly worrying about anything, this will impact your sleep for sure. Fifth, sleep disorder. There are many sleep disorders that can cause difficulty sleeping. Some of the most common sleep disorders include sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and narcolepsy. Consult with your doctor today. However, try to understand your sleeping pattern and reasons behind your sleepless mornings, and try to solve the problem as soon as possible. I hope this video helped you to understand the reasons behind sleepless nights and morning challenges. Write, comment, and let us know your views or suggestions. Thank you for watching.